Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable website language translations on your Microsoft Edge browser, as well as changing what language you wanted to translate into. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Please know we're using a newer version of Microsoft Edge, so make sure you're all up to date because there is a new Chromium version of Edge, so it's slightly different than the original Microsoft Edge. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to select the settings icon near the top right corner of the screen, and we're going to go select that and then go and select the settings. And now on the left side, left click on languages, and you want to go and select where it says offer to translate pages that aren't in the languages you read. Make sure that's toggled in the correct position there. And you also have the ability to add a preferred language, so you can go ahead and select add languages here. And you can change which language you want it to change into just by selecting a different language from the list here and then just toggling that one as your default. So again, pretty straightforward process here. And then you could just change it by selecting the three-dotted icon, and you could make it display Microsoft Edge in this language. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. So if you want to move it up, again, it's just reordering the list here. Doesn't appear to actually change the preferred language. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove that because I don't want to keep that in there. But that's pretty much the gist of it, guys. You can just change it to the Microsoft Edge default language, and that'll be the language it wants to change it into. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.